Okay, now for the fillet all around here. This, when it works, is pretty awesome. I am going to get rid of these little construction lines really quick for us. And I'm going to save my drawing really quick. Save, yes, replace my old one. Now let's do the fillets. I'm going to switch over to solid, tab, fillet, and I'm going to be filleting this guy. Gives me a little preview, very hard to see, and that's obvious my radius is wrong, so R enter of 3. I'm going to fillet this, I'm going to fillet this. This is a lot easier to see in wireframe. So I'm going to start over, fillet, R enter of 3. I'm going to start selecting all my little edges. This guy, this guy, this guy, and there's a dozen of these things. Okay, maybe not a dozen, but half a dozen. Missed. 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 It's not. Oh, there we go. All the way around. Oh, we missed one right here. There we go. So all the way around, all the tops. Okay, and enter. Yay, look at that. Now, make sure you push enter again or you're going to lose all your work. Yes, okay. Just to verify, let's switch over to conceptual. Beautiful, there it is. Okay, did I miss any of the angles? I think I got them all. Yep, I think I've got them all. And now to do the other side. Same thing. Should I try it without wireframe? Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can't get it. I'm going back to wireframe. Yes, yes, missed, yes. Somewhere in here, rotate just a tiny bit, rotate a tiny bit more. Too many lines. There we go. Okay, is that all of them? I think so. Today I probably spent 3 hours figuring out how to do this. And enter, and enter again. Yes. Reward. There it is.